Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis last week several times, so that is where the red and green line notations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines here. Sure, these levels pertain, they're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first big update after today that needs to be made, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's actually exactly what played out here. So going earlier on in the day, the price eventually broke down through the 14-cent mark here, and at that point is where you would expect it to act as resistance. So the price came all the way down there, and then to give credit where credit's due, made a very nice bounce to the upside, and you can see right there, though, that is exactly right where it got rejected from at 14 cents before reversing back around and then stabilizing out. But point here being that 14 cents is now going to be that initial area of resistance where if there's going to be any sort of chance at a bigger bounce and a bigger potential recovery, 14 cents is where it all pretty much starts by, the price needing to prove itself by getting above there. In the event the price can break above that level, next key level that comes into play there is that 50-period moving average on my chart, denoted by the purple line, and the current value of that is at 15 cents. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing complicated, nothing fancy here, just a matter of, where did the bleeding finally stop? And that was right down here around 0.123. So 0.123 going to be that initial area of support going into Tuesday. But all in all, yeah, a rough way to start the week. The good news is it's only Monday, so still plenty of time to try to get things turned around. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.